Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I made a boo-boo. I signed back up for this box. I did not get it for the summer because I didn't like the curation. But fall's coming back around and I'm like, okay, I want to get the box again. So I signed back up. And then I got a message earlier this week, saying a shipment was coming. I'm like, oh, okay, cool, sweet, fall box is coming. Then I got the email saying that the fall box we were going to be charged, and she gave the date. And I'm like, I got a box coming. So I reached out to her and I'm like, is there, what's happening? I got a box coming. I got the summer box coming. So the box that I didn't really want to receive, I've got, and it's all my fault. But I do wish, and complete transparency, there could have been on the website that said, if you sign up now, this is what you're going to get. It very well could have been, and I just wasn't paying attention. But if there's not, then there should be. So let's open it and see if, since it's the end of summer, if she still had the items left. Because if she didn't, maybe she just put together items and made me a summer box. I have had that happen before. So let's see if that's actually what happened here. Okay. And to be fair, there was one item that I specifically remember in the box. And so and I remember the theme too. So hopefully I'll be able to remember if this truly is the spring box or not. But here we go. First item. Okay. Open this up. We got a 4-pack of natural placemats. The bow is cute. It'd have been really cute if that blue were on them. But we got 4 natural placemats. The brand is Mima. I'm assuming they're just standard size. So that's the first. Oh wait, are they on here? No, they are not. Okay, so that's our first item. Now I need to pull out. Okay, so I got a card. It says, hi, I'm Nikki, the heart of the Abode box. And she's like, thank you, Terry. All right, okay. So now I need to pull this out. Well, that's one thing. And then there's more. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my lap. And there's more. All right. Okay. Down in the details below, you are going to find the pricing to this box and also a link to that website if this is something you were interested in. I might have a discount code. I cannot remember. If I do, all of my discount codes are down below. Where was I going with this? Oh, price link down below. All right, let's go ahead and do this item next. So now I can see why the placemats were natural color. And this is reminding me of what it was supposed to be. Okay, so this now is a tablecloth. It is natural. It is 60 by 100. It is very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. Now, so 100, so 7 feet, 8 feet. So this is 5 feet and a little over 8 feet. So I'm assuming it's 5 feet wide, a little bit over 8 feet long. This is too big for my table. If I am remembering correctly, like this was a true more summer, decorate like an outdoor space. So yeah, while it is very, very, very pretty, and those go very well together, it's just, it's too big for my table. And then that's where these come in. And this was the item that just does not fit my home. Another reason why I skipped the box. It is a 25 count globe clear bulbs. So it's a globe string lights, 25 clear balls. So hanging lights outdoors, I don't have an outdoor space. So that is what those look like. And here is where they are, or what they look like. So again, these are very nice. And the curation of, outdoor table decor, outdoor lights, it goes so well together. It just doesn't fit my space. Because we don't have an outdoor space, because I planned to when we built the house, and Terry just keeps finding other wants and keeps spending money other places that I don't think we're ever going to hit the goal of having the outdoor space that we plan to have. My want list, you guys, is so long, especially my travel list. So those are those lights. Okay. Those actually, I'm going to give to my sister-in-law because they have a great outdoor space by their pool. So those I'm going to set aside, and she's got a pergola, so it'll be perfect to hang up in there. Okay, next item right here. Wow, I do not remember this, and it's heavy. Huh, what is that? Let me open this up. This I do not remember. And it's not even coming to me either. And first impressions, I'm not sure what it even is. It's either granite or marble. It's a stone. It says this piece is handcrafted using real stone. The stone is known for its unique pattern and color, and variation is expected, of course. Here it is. So it's like a lean-to. Help me out here. So would it be a napkin holder? Like lean-to napkins? Because it's got to be something for like outdoor picnic table or something like that. I mean, that's something. Is it napkins? Because it's not big enough for like, a cookbook or anything. I don't know. Yeah, so there that is. You guys always help me figure out what things are. Let me know what your thoughts on that is. Do you think that's a napkin holder? Okay, and the last item. And this, because I do not remember that, but I already have enough of this kind of stuff. But again, this is very nice. I like the color. I like that this is is like a rope. And completely can go with like an outdoor, like, I hate to say the word picnic, but an outdoor dining area, because you could put all your condiments on here and carry them out this way. I wouldn't put your drinks because I don't think it's sturdy enough for that. But like, your condiments and everything. And this is by Carissa. Okay. There you have it. So this was the summer Abode box. So again, not what I wanted, just because, like, you know, I already explained why. But I do think it's a really nice curation. I wish that maybe we had gotten a table runner out of this tablecloth material, because I really do love the color of this. I love the blue. And one could say, if you were handy enough, you could make a table runner out of it. But I'm not handy like that. So there you have it. But the fall box is going to be coming here shortly. So we'll get to experience that. So there you have it. Another unboxing. And this is a home decor box. So thank you for tuning in. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye, guys.